I'm Chloe Crabtree from CelebrateAndDecorate.com, and you're watching Home Talk. So I have one of these Dollar Tree little pumpkins like this, and what I'm going to do is I am just going to pull the decoration right off. Now, it all depends upon what kind of pumpkins you get. If you pick up these from Dollar Tree, if you look really closely, you'll be able to see the styrofoam. It does not have a coating on it. And I want to tell you that because some of them, if you pick them up from Joann's or Hobby Lobby or something, some of them have a coating on it and you can end up peeling it off like so. And then you'll see the styrofoam, okay? So working with the Dollar Tree ones, that's not gonna happen. The next step is going to be to take our screwdriver and you're just going to poke a hole right through the middle. Now, the one place this is really messy, and the one supply I didn't tell you because you don't have to have it, is canned air. Because this, it's the cleaning duster, but it's basically canned air because it will clean it right off because styrofoam likes to stick to everything. Once you've got a hole in there on that end, you're gonna go around to the other end and make another hole like so. Well, I was wrong about these. The plastic does peel off, but I have my hole. And you can see that this will fit down through there like that. And I've cleaned it up with my canned air, okay? And like I said, there's a reason I'm gonna show you why this is really a good thing. And like I said, this is my yarn right from the Dollar Tree. And to do this size pumpkin from the Dollar Tree, it's gonna take you a better part of one of these skeins of yarn. So let me get started. So I'm gonna double this up like so. Get this all smoothed out here. I still have some styrofoam I see sticking to things. And I'm going to pull my two loose ends right through the eye, like so. And then we're gonna go to town. I'm gonna pull out about that much. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold on to it with my thumb right there. And I am just going to get more styrofoam. Go ahead and pull that long end all the way through. So I have those two pieces pulled through and I am just going to wrap them right up and around. You see that? And put that right down through again. And again, just pull those loose ends. And you're gonna slide them right next to the others and you're gonna pull these tight, okay? And these loose ones here, I'm just gonna leave these loose for the time being, okay? But I'm gonna keep my thumb on them. And so we're basically like sewing right around the pumpkin. And we're just gonna keep that up all the way around the pumpkin. So I'm just going to work on this and you guys can watch how fast I can do it. And like I said, it's not really a fast project. It's something that is kind of time consuming, but so can knitting and crocheting be. So it's something you can just sit and do. Now I told you I would show you what to do when you get to the end. We're almost to the end of this first section of yarn. Let me thread it back on here again so it's right. And we're just going to pull it up and all we're gonna do is you're gonna just feed it down under some of those yarns that are right inside of there. All the way through. They're gonna come out the other end like so. You're gonna give them a quick tug and then all we're gonna do is cut them off. Don't need those. Okay, we're ready to start our second piece of yarn. I'm going to feed my loop through there like so. And then the same thing that I just did, I'm just going to thread it right under those tightly wrapped pieces right there. Just like that. And then I'm gonna take it and wrap it again. Make sure you always push those over so they're nice and snug. Fill in any gaps with extra yarn, and you're just going to feed those in through the yarn in the middle a couple of times, and that's going to be too short. So all you've got to do is same thing. You're just going to go in and cut those off. And now you've got your yardage that you're ready to start wrapping again. Here is our little pumpkin, almost completely finished. Got a little piece of styrofoam in there. And I wanted to show you how to finish it up. We're going to thread our last loop. And you do want to turn your pumpkin around and make sure there are no other spots where whatever color your pumpkin is underneath are showing. And we're just going to go ahead and cover this last little white strip like so. And then just like we finished off with any piece before, let's get one more piece there. We're just going to thread this right into the tightly wrapped yarn inside. And we're just gonna pull that really snug like so. There you go. And then we're gonna snip off those ends. And what I've done is I have gone out and gathered all kinds of sticks, and I have trimmed them all, and we're gonna see what size that shouldn't need any glue or anything. And I'm going to stick one in, and there we have our cute little pumpkin. And here is my beautiful basket of fall yarn pumpkins. Aren't those fun? Look, this one almost looks like it's faux fur, doesn't it? And I used some different colored yarns here. So whatever you choose to do will look right, and I can add this one to my basket, and I have a beautiful cozy little basket full of yarn pumpkins. So I hope you like this and it inspires you to make some yarn pumpkins for the season. They're a great gift too.